dear students, welcome back to this class. I hope you all are enjoying and you all are doing well. Okay. So yesterday, last previous lecture, we have seen a poem, A Dozen Roses. You know, in this poem, the girl say that she has got a flower. How many? Us 12 flower, a dozen roses. Okay. So now she has only one left flower because she has given them to all. One by one she has given to them all. Including with her sister she has given because she loved with her sister. After that one by one she has given to his another friends. Only one flower she has left. Okay. So on the basis in this poem today we will see the exercise. We have solved the exercise. Okay. First of all we have see the word bank. Word bank means क्या होता है? Hard word. Those words we have not known about. मतलब जो ऐसे words के हमको उसके बारे में उसका meaning नहीं पता है. Because without the hard words we know about the sentences. We nothing explain to the sentences. Okay. So first one is words meaning में क्या है? Dozen means 12 in number. मतलब हम बोलते हैं ना कि give me half dozen banana, 1 dozen banana like this. So आधे डजन, एक डजन means 12 in a number. मतलब एक डजन में कितने रहते हैं? 12. Then the other day, a few day ago. The other day means क्या होता है? A few day ago मतलब कुछ दिन पहले की बात. Gave them means gave them all away. Gave them to the other people. Gave them to all. Them means क्या होता है? They का है वो, है ना? जैसे हम I का भी लिखते हैं, he का किस में करता है? him में, she का like this. उसके बाद dear. Dear means the closer one. See the girl who has given to her sister because she is very dear to her. Means she loved her sister. Floor cheers means flowers will make her happy. Floor cheers means someone who has given to flowers chocolates. तो why it is flower became makes happy. मतलब हम किसी को कोई उपहार देने के बाद क्या होता है? वो cheers करता है, खुश होता है. Not feeling well to wellness, ill, sick, बीमार जैसे बोलते हैं. Struggle means tried hard. जो भी हम struggle करते हैं, मेहनत करते हैं. That is okay. Brighten means क्या होता है? cheer up हम बोलते हैं ना कि जैसे if you are sandy, if you are just struggling hard, just cheer up के लिए, है ना? तो हम that is the meaning. Then opposite side means क्या होता है? go जाओ और उसका go का like come like this. Friend का क्या होता है? It's a enemy. Friend and दोस्त और enemy means क्या होता है? दुश्मन. Okay. Like this. Receive किसी को मतलब received मतलब हमको मिलना. Give means return मतलब देना उसको. Brighten means हमने वही बोला है cheer and sudden means क्या होता है? cheer and sudden means हम बोलते हैं ना कि sadly नहीं. जैसे brightens means क्या होता है? cheer. Okay. So brighten का क्या होता है? It's a cheer up. तो obviously sad means दुखी. उसके बाद है single और उसका अपोजिट है double. Then है hope means क्या होता है? आशा, उम्मीद. और डिसअपियर मतलब क्या होता है? उदास मतलब कोई आशा नहीं. Biggest obviously it's a smallest. Okay. So we have to move on the exercises. See, you have to take the pencil, rubber and with your textbook. Okay. I am reading the sentence and you have to just cross and मतलब right and wrong you have to do in your textbook. I am just write. Okay. I am not write on the blackboard. I am just writing down only the answers. Okay. Let's read. See the exercise 1. Understanding better. Write bracket में दिया है T. True के लिए T only and false के लिए F. False against each sentence. See those they has given us to the 5 sentences. We have to which is wrong, which is true. We have to just put in the marks. First one, the poet received 10 roses as a gift one day. It is true. How many roses she has got? Yes, it's a 12. So obviously first answer is false. So you should put in a box, it's a F. Okay. It's a F. Second one, the poet gave one of her roses to her friend because it was birthday. No, it's not his birthday, obviously. हमने कहीं तो भी the whole poem we didn't see the birthday word, है ना? कोई बीमार है, कोई उसका long friend है, तो obviously we know it's a false, isn't it? Okay. Third one. The poet gave one rose to her sister because she loved her very much. Obviously, we know she has given one rose to her sister because she was dear to her and she loved her. She loved with her sister. So obviously, it's a true. You should put the third answer is true. True. Write it down only T in a bracket. Fourth one, the poet gave one rose to a friend who was not very close or not friend for a long time. Okay, it is also, it's a true because in the second para, in the third para, the girl had a friend who had a friend for not a close friend, but at least it's a long friend. So obviously it is a true because the poem, it is the mentioned one who had a friend. Okay, fifth one, the poet kept only one single word. मतलब वो गर्ल के पास, वो पोएट के पास एक ही बचा था ना, only one flower had left to the poet. Obviously it is a true. Put in the box, it is a true. So we got our 5 answers. First one is F, means false. Second is also false. Third, fourth, fifth, 3 are the true. Understood? Okay. See, we had completed the exercise. Now we will see the exercise B. Complete the following sentence. हमको क्या करना है? पहले हमको कुछ सेंटेंस दिए हैं. It is not the completed. We have to complete the sentences. Okay. First one, the poet gave one rose to her sister to bring her. मतलब वो गर्ल ने, the poet ने एक जो रोज है वो अपने सिस्टर को दिया था. Why? For किसके लिए दिया था? A little flower cheers. फर्स्ट का आंसर लिखेंगे. What is that? A little किसके लिए दिया था? और cheer के लिए, उत्साह के लिए. Little floral. Floral means क्या होता है? अभी जस्ट हमने पढ़ा है. Floral means make happy, खुशी के लिए. Floral cheers. Okay, write it down on your textbook. Second one, I am reading. The friend was helped more by the flower on the visit of the poet. See, one friend, एक friend है जो help करता है ना, for the flower to visit the poet. तो देखो, visit the poet, it's a third stanza में दिया है कि जो friend है, जो poet है, वो किसके यहाँ पे visit करता है? Why he had visited? Because he is not too well. So the answer is that he could not tell. That he could not tell. वो उसको बता ही नहीं सकता. ऐसे. Third one. The single bird the poet kept was, मतलब एक ही फूल पोएट के पास बचा था, है ना? कौन सा वाला? Which one? Beautiful and tall. Beautiful and tall. Look at this. Okay, आया समझ में? तो third answer is beautiful and tall. because the she has only one left bird which is the tall, मतलब बड़ा भी था और बहुत सुंदर भी था. The friend had given the roses to blank the other day. क्या? The friend given, friend ने roses दिए थे. किसको दिए थे? The poet. So the answer is the poet. Who is the poet? The girl. Okay. The poet. The other days. We have to write down a small letter. Understood? आ गया समझ में? Come on. Write down the answer. You have to write it down the correct spelling with the good handwriting and please use the dark pencils. Okay? Come on, write it down. The first answer, a little floral chairs. Okay? Please don't mistake in your spelling writing. Okay? That he could not tell. मतलब वो बताना नहीं चाहता था. Beautiful and tall. Beautiful and tall. The poet मतलब कवि. Who is poet? The girl. Okay. Okay. Now we can see the exercise C. We will see the exercise C. See, read and find out the words that rhyme with the following in the poem. See, they have given to 5 words. We have to choose the rhyming words. You all know what is the rhyming words? जैसा बोलते ना, गो सो, मतलब जो भी राइम किसको बोलते हैं, जो भी पोएम के लास्ट में जो सेम रहता है, सेम वर्ड्स रहता है लिरिकली, हम उसको ही क्या बोलते हैं, राइम. ओके, चलो अब वी कैन फाइंड फर्स्ट वन. जैसे सी फॉर एग्जांपल डे, अवे, लेफ्ट, वहां पे जैसे दिया है सिस्टर, हर, लेकिन सिस्टर है तो हम सिस को नहीं, टर, हर ऐसा लेंगे. ओके, कम ऑन. सी डे, फर्स्ट का है डे, सेकंड डियर, थर्ड वेल, फोर्थ का है लॉन्ग एंड फिफ्थ इज अ ऑल. सो कम ऑन, वी विल फाइंड आउट द राइट. डे का क्या आएगा, वे, इट्स अ पॉज. अवे नहीं लिखेंगे हम, वे भी लिख सकते हैं, डे वे. एक हम साइलेंट भी, लेकिन आंसर इज वे हम लिखेंगे. ओके, डियर, डियर का क्या है, चेयर. ओके, नेक्स्ट वेल, देखो थर्ड स्टैंजा में वेल का टेल, इट्स अ राइम वर्ड. लॉन्ग इट्स ऑन, सो इधर लॉन, फिर हम लिखेंगे ऑन, लॉन ऑन. We can't pronounce the long because we have to G must be a silent because here not a ong, it's only lon ong. See, it's a spelling, it's a long, but when we pronounce, we should be pronounce the lon on. Got it? Okay. Next, all. Yes, it's a all. The answer should be tall. Understood? Come on, write it down. D A Y, day का है away. No need to write it down the away, but when you have to write down, you should write down the away. But it is a quite good is a way. W A Y. Okay. Dear, cheer. Please write it down. Correct spellings, C-H-E-E-R, cheer. Well, tell, T-E-L-L, tell. Long, I told you, don't pronounce long, lon, on. Okay. All, tall, T-A-L-L, tall. Come on, write it down. If these sentences, if you are not completed, please write it down, okay? Okay, so here we have completed the exercise A, B and C. Okay, so let's see, but it is very, मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा होगा if I will continue the think and answer, मतलब क्वेश्चन आंसर में बहुत ज़्यादा होगा. आज के लिए and C. Okay. So see, we will take tomorrow exercises A B. मतलब हम question answer को कल लेंगे because it is a very lengthy question answers. Okay. So now we are just pack up. See, I hope all those sentences and the false and true and the exercise C rhyming words you all are understand. Okay. Okay, done. Okay, students, we will take tomorrow the next portion. Now we had again I told you we have completed the exercise A and B and C. Okay, so let's see tomorrow we will take the other ones. Okay, so take care student. Bye bye, see you soon, see you tomorrow.